done that, after you found the factors and you've determined the two factors, you've determined the middle term, which two factors will give you the middle term, right? Then you are done. Then the last part is the signs. And the signs, there's a rule. If the last sign, if C is positive, then the signs are the same. The signs that you're going to put inside of the brackets will be the same. If C is negative, then the signs are not the same. So one will be negative and one will be positive. Now, when the signs are not the same, then we're going to discuss where does the negative go, where does the positive go. It's simple. The negative always goes, since the sign will not be the same, if this is negative, C is negative, the bigger number will take the sign of the middle term. So you still depend on the middle term, right? If they're the same, it doesn't matter. They go anyway, because they're the same anyway, right? If it's plus plus, it's plus plus. It doesn't matter, or it's plus plus. If it's minus minus, it's minus minus. However, if you find a situation whereby they're not the same, then you have to look at the middle term. The middle term will be your North Star. It will give you direction as to where does the sign go. If the middle term is negative, then the bigger number will be negative. If the middle term is positive, then the bigger number will be positive. I'm only discussing the rules, right? The method, the laws, right? Now, if you know these, then it doesn't matter what happens here. Are we together? It can be 5 and 6, it can be 3 and 7, it can be 12 and all that. It doesn't matter. As long as you know that two brackets, factors of C, determine if C is negative or C is positive, right? If C is negative, I know what happens to the sign. If C is positive, I know what happens to the sign. And then determine where the factors go. Then you are fine. It doesn't matter. The example is irrelevant. Are we together so far?
Yes.
Now let's try to apply these rules to that example. Now the easiest thing is that you have x squared.